Low to the first. Let's make slide. Low to the first. Let's make slide.
Anong slide? Ano?
Double kill.
Huh?
Double kill.
Ano mo dito?
Double self kill. Dive mud.
Stereo man is wrong.
Buko.
Stereo.
I want iPad.
Rocket dash.
Wala.
Stereo man is wrong.
Sisira na yung isip mo.
Baka.
Stereo man is wrong. Rocket dash.
Ay, bakit ba?
The edges are dangerously sharp, so no one should even think about jumping over them.
Stereo man is wrong. Rocket dash.
These incredible
Magalaw yung bahay ko.
Naniguha ka dito. Meow. Si Melody ba kayo niya?
Kaya. Pink? Never pa yan.
Hindi, kasi Melody.
Stereo
Ay,
man.
ba't may pang baby? Mr. Beast enters my computer. So, my secret. Go to the first, please. Go to the first.
So we're on set with College Jacobs. We're gonna go to the moon. This doesn't look like the moon's gonna change.
Oh, rinig na rin ko.
Landscape.
Ah, hindi.
We're gonna have a drone.
Pasukay.
Patay.
Bigay ka rin naman.
No, to the second.
Oh,
So we're on set with Carl Jacobs, and we're gonna go to the moon. This doesn't look like the moon, so we're gonna change that. We're gonna add the landscape.
Kiss
We're gonna
dog.
have the Earth, and we're gonna have our rocket ship.
Ano ba tayo?
wow.
And until you comment on this video, I'm holding a pop.
So it's just like I never died. I'm just there.
It's Mr. Beast, guys. He has a secret plan to still post videos even after he's dead.
If I only had 30 days to live, what would I do? If I knew I was gonna die of like cancer or something, I had like 3 months to live, I would vlog every day. I'd film so many videos, and then I would just schedule upload a video a week for like the next 5 years. So it's like I'm still alive, and I would completely act like I'm still alive. So it's just like
Intern is about to win fight.
Mr. Beast for the game.
So if you see this bar at the bottom, right here, you can see we're so close to hatching this egg. And once we do
No, to the first.
Recreated every single step from Squid Game in real life. And whichever one of these 56 people survives the longest wins 456 grand. The first game we're gonna play is Red
May ganit.
Across the red line.
Alin?
Yung cubes yung maliit, yung kulay green. 50 piso sabihin mo.
Paano naman bibilihin ko?
And as you can see, every single player has a device strapped to them. And they're eliminated in pops. Chris?
Oh, patay.
Yung ano ha, yung maliit, yung kulay green maliliit. Ano yung cellphone ko? Lima na, akin yung cellphone ko muna.
I know for sure this green line. Red line. Oh, yo, they're dropping. Okay, now some people are getting out.
Last ako. Choo. No to the first. No to the first. No to the first. No beating. Why is it doing that? This is terrible for me. So does the last place. Or is it go fast? Psych? I slide. Ah! No to the save. No to the save. The one that was my slide. You gotta be kidding. Hey. Haha! Oh! Oh! No! Eesh! Haha! That's why you go fast, you fast. Okay, why? Why are the key? Why have you? Why you? Why? No. Go to the west. Go to the fire. Boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. Like green. Ha! Boom, boom. Go to the first. Go to the first. That's okay. Go to the midnight. Okay, all of you will die. How crazy is that? A triple kill or more kill? I already know. But a chance that everyone died because of that. No, the bombs. Chicken wings. No to the second. No, not this one. The hardest. Oh, midnight died. What's that? Oh, that's just done. I was done. Back! Oh! No. No to the worst! No to the worst! No to the first! Thank you for looping loop. So we don't have a loop. Yeah. Sky. What are you, Russia? And goodbye. Yo, how did you fail this? Okay, how? Hey. Let me cheat. Okay. Yeah. Good. No to the second. Okay. Alam mo ko. Narinig ako. Okay, Skyline died. Okay, how? How did I die? Me and Skyline are about to US. I'm not letting that slide. Boom. No to the final! No to the final! Okay, this is E and Z. Yeah, that's close. Let's go, let's go, go, go! Yeah! Ay! Yeah! Go to the first. This is not anything hard. Thank you. Big bridge. Why is it called a bridge? Like, what is that supposed to be? Vortex. Princess Unicorn? Ah. That's like Vortex. Vortex is the first. Until I can. Wow. Wow. Go to the party. Hey. Let's go. This is not ladies first mode. Okay. Yeah, better. Go. Okay, let's go speed up. Let's go speed up. Okay, somebody's right behind me. But that's not a problem. Trick. What? Go to the first. Have fun. Boom. Okay, how did you die? Hey. We kept dying. Let's do this.
Really? I'll forgive you. Here, his name is iPhone. Unless he's handsome. He is. Let's play out. Strawberry. No strawberry. Oh, hey, principal. Yes, principal. Oh, so it's just not available today. She's Okay, class, it's silent reading time. I'm gonna grade your papers. Why is that? What's that? Why is that? Zebra, lunch is ready. Coming.
Yo, bro.
Mom, the pasta is so tasty. Why are you like little egg today?
Hey.
Oh, why? Pasta was from yesterday. It was from last month. Okay, fine. Last year. Tasha, I want to go to the toilet. Mommy, don't. I just want to play. If you leave, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm going to the house.
Oh, go for it.
Okay, class, here are your exam results. Some of you did great, some of you need some highlighting of class. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bestie, hey. Selway, for the first time, hey. Everyone else, Here's a new one for you. Here's a book for you. Yay! If you want to call me. Use $1 million on your credit card. What was the transaction? Just lazy to search for you.
a charter school.
So hard to balance. This will make you smarter. You're sleeping on your clothes. There's no furniture in this garage.
Hindi ka bibisi.
Nabayad na siya. Nagbingin. Kasi inayos ko nga kasi hindi ayaw niya sama ng mga anak. Nung di ako nagsama. Tapos nakita naman sa sisisi naman siya ng muso. Gusto ko lang sasama sa amin doon. Ako, nagkakawin kami na natulong niya palagi. Nung ako kasama niya. Kasi sisisi ko bata. Sisisi ko nakabasa. Ito na. Narigas na yung silon. Wala na. Wala. Tapos na yun, pumunta na naman sa akin, hindi na naman tulong. Ano ba ko na sa inyo? Hindi, wala. Nakapag-retire siya.
Then I did a double flip. Jai, no water, Jai.
Ayaw niya po daw sa mga. Hindi. Ano, ikaw daw siya ng pinakaltas niya para may training siya. Kasi sabi niya pamilya na. Okay naman yun. Wala na ginawa na sa mga.
Those naked. That's that too.
Ay, sorry na.
Okay, my bad. Somebody's really cold inside. I wonder. Okay, three of us are last. That's too cold. No, that's really. Okay. You are gonna end up as what? Bro.
Bulaga.
Why me again? Why? Why me again? They want me to have those.
Paano mo nga ako, te?
Now to the second.
Te. Ako, te.
You are naked. Somebody's naked. 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 You're naked. You're naked. You're naked. You're naked.
You're naked.
I'm not naked.
Yes, you are. Do you remember the time that I gave you a text sweaty?
Do you remember the time that I killed the bot?
Do you remember the time that I...
Somebody's stuck. But why? Okay, why? Why? Ah! Nah. Tempest and Jix. I'm getting my full speed down. Okay. How did Jix do a bet? Never mind. You remember you are still naked? Brown's naked! 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 You assigned me last time. Now it's your karma. You're naked! You're naked! You're naked! Hey. Somebody echo me. You're naked! I'm proud. Saan ba kayo punta?
Kaya natatanggal, te, baka mahulog ang yun, te. Ano, natanggal sapatos.
Second mo hanggang dulo.
Oh, bakit tayo? Why?
May papel na nga yun.
Ah!
Ito na lang.
Bro. Saan ka papunta? Saan ka punta? Simba. Okay. Okay.
Saan? Saan tayo?
No! Gold?
Gap! Gap!
No to the No to the Maano oras tayo uuwi? Ay, go. Maano oras tayo uuwi?
Mamaya, pagbalik namin.
Sabi po.
Asan yung bag niya niya? Wala ka na. Sige. Sinutin mo rin yung medyan. Nanagasan. Tingnan mo. Lumusunod sa dati niya. Saan yung susi, de? Yung susi, ma. May papa. Asan sila yung si? Ha?
Pwede na si Banana.
What are you doing?
Ano ba? Oh, dalian nyo daw. Si Papa ba? Ano na? Si Papa?